Today we're back here at Broadway at the beach, and we're going to try out a Mexican fiesta restaurant that's a chain restaurant.
That's right. It's very popular with the kids. So we're going to go in here and give you a look.
Stay tuned.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey, y'all. Hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here at Broadway in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we're going to take you to Senor Frogs, Mexican food and fiesta. Let's go check it out.
And that's right, Senor Frogs is found in Key West, New York, St. Thomas, Puerto Rico, Orlando, Cancun, and a lot more places.
And like every restaurant at Broadway at the beach, they have a menu on the outside. So they have your starters, soup and salad, burgers, main entrees, and seafood and pasta, and tacos. So
That way you can decide if you really want to go in and eat or not.
they have a little bit for everybody.
So we showed you the menu on the outside, but just in case you missed it, here it is. And Bunny B's going to tell you what she's going for.
So I'm deciding to go with something light. I'm going to do the quesadilla. It's the pulled chicken quesadilla. And what you going to get, Beatbox?
And I decided to go with the carnitas bowl.
Carnitas bowl. That sounds delicious.
Yeah, it's got Mexican rice, refried beans, 3 cheese, blended braised pork, pico de gallo, and lots more. So we started out with jalapeno poppers. Now, is that just ranch?
It is. It's just ranch in the middle. Alrighty. And here is a veggie burrito with potato chips. That looks very delicious. Quesadilla. Look how delicious that looks. Chicken quesadilla. Yummy. With pico de gallo and guacamole and sour cream. Good
And
too.
this is my bowl, my carnitas bowl. It's got the spicy ranch.
Tex-Mex ranch.
And look, now a lot of people don't like guacamole, but I do.
We also got a plate for the table. It's barbecue chicken platter. And it comes with corn on the cob, french fries, and coleslaw. And you gotta be really hungry to enjoy that. At Senor Frogs, they have 3 places to eat, either outdoor on the back patio, inside, or at the front. Hey, so anywhere you look, there's a view.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. There's several bars in here, like at least 2 or 3.
Right. You got television so you can watch all your favorite games.
Oh yeah. And the food came out really fast, so the service is great.
See that bar over there?
See the airplane?
Airplane. Way up here. We got a pool table. And there's a little slushy drink. Kind of like wet wheelies.
Yeah.
These are pretty neat. All right, that was a look right there at Senor Frogs right here at Broadway at the beach.
That's right. And they do give you a lot of food, so make sure you're hungry whenever you go in there. At night, they have more entertainment, like a balloon animal person that comes in there and does balloons and stuff like that. So it's
That's
a very family-friendly atmosphere. And they have bands, and they'll call you up and do some little dances and stuff like that.
All
so
right.
There you have it, right here.
Oh, we're going to turn right here.
Yeah.
All right, well, make sure you give us a big thumbs up to share the love, and make sure you subscribe to this channel to know what's going on around the beach.
That's right. And if you do want to see any more restaurants in this area, make sure you comment below to let us know.
All right, so you can keep beaching.
That's right. And we'll see you in the next video.
Word up.
If you see us out, shout.
Broadway at the beach. Today, we're going to try out a chain restaurant. Nope, see?
Today, we're here at Broadway at the beach.
Today. Now, when we say hungry,
that's hungry. Don't come hungry like this, whatever you do. I'd hate to fall in there. Look at them.
that's my kind of chick right there.